here we are. Rory and I are here, down for the big race. The Life Cycle team are on the gas. This, I understand, is the little chip that will show how well I'm doing during the race, and also how quickly I complete the race. At the moment, we're just looking out the window here in the car at the weather, which is pretty grim. I'll just turn the power on. You can see the juniors races just getting ready to go. My number here, number 8. 8 for infinity. You travel with the Highlander. Yes, and today we're going to do our best. We've been as far as the traffic lights and back on our new bike, which you can see is in the back there, ready to roll. We've had our energy bars. We're ready for the off. See you on the grid.